Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Huzi. Today we are going to talk about container widgets and its properties. Container widgets is one of the most versatile and commonly used widgets. It serves as a box model that can contain other widgets like rows, column, text, and also allows you to customize their layout and appearance, like you can add the margin, padding, size, alignment, etc. So now let's look at this code. Like I have written a code like where we are adding a container to the build method, which will show the. Now this is been written and saved, and currently this is loading. So just for the case I will reload it. So now this code is written like we have created a file main. In the main dot file we have added we have a main app in which we also have a home page where the actual widget is running. Okay, so in that we are adding the container. So and I'll run the program, run the application now. This is a container widgets where we have given the color blue, which will occupy the background of it, and we have also given a child as child text. Now you can see the container has occupied the whole screen. Why it is, we will look that in some time. Before that, let's learn about the size, the margin and padding and alignment as well. So these properties we will look now. So first let's add the size. Before that we will add one more container to this one so that we can differentiate between it. So for that I have added this, I have pre-written this code for the row, which we can use for the better understanding of these properties. Okay, I'll just uncomment this. Okay, it had gone, comment it again. Okay, I will uncomment this. Okay, now okay, so you can see this is the container where I have added the width and all. For now I'll just remove this width from everything. I'll remove the padding and I will remove the container as well. Okay, so now to explain the margin, I have two containers in the row. Okay, so I have two containers one by one in the row. Now let's run it and see. Okay, what happens. Now you can see only one container. This is because since the container is empty, it doesn't have any size, height or width, or it does not have children. It's currently the empty, so it doesn't take any visible space, or it doesn't take any space. Now just see when what happens when I add a child to it. Okay, if I add a child to it and reload the program, reload the application, the two childs are there. Now we will proceed. Okay, this is one of the thing we can keep in we learned today. If an container is empty, it will not take any space. Now I'll add margin to this one. Okay, what is margin? Let's understand with this example. I'm adding margin, okay, of 50 pixels. So I'll reload this, and you can see the space is there in between two container. So margin is margin is something like you keep a space between two containers. Okay, so currently this container has a space of 50 around its all the sides, like it will also have here. So to just understand that, I'll add another container to this and I'll remove the margin. Okay, I'll save it and I will reload it. Let's see what happens. Now see, I have an added margin to it, but this margin covers all. Since we have added edge insets all, we can also add only one space as well. Now if I remove this and I'll keep just edge insets only, and this is in the right, no, I'll keep it as right. Now if you see I will reload this. Okay, right, so it is in right actually, sorry. Okay, so I'll have to keep it as left. Okay, I'll reload this. So you see there is a space again. If again I add a container to this, okay, and I remove this and I keep this like this and I reload it. You see there is no space because I have added only one margin here in the at the left of this container. So this is margin. Now I'll remove this. Let's go to padding. What is padding? Now I'll add a padding to it. Okay. So before that, let's learn about size, so that padding, it will be easy for us to the changes will be visible. So size, I'll add width of 500 and height of 500. Okay, and I reload it. So you see this is bigger. Now if we add padding, and I add padding to all the sides. Okay, dot all, let's keep it as 25. Okay, let's keep it as let's keep it as 25. Now I reload it. You can see there is a space between this. Okay, so all the space, it will have 25 pixels space. Okay, this is padding. The padding is a cushion around the edges of the widgets, container widget. So that is basically padding. Now alignment. So the child inside this, you can align wherever it means in the container wherever you want. Okay, now I add alignment, and I add it at alignment as, say for example, in the bottom right. Okay, bottom right. Now if you see, I save it and I reload it, so it is in the bottom right. So this is basically what a container is. You can style the appearance and customize their layout and appearance inside appearance of this widget. Okay, so another interesting property is transform. So with this, you can transform the tilt the container as well for the better appearance. Okay, so if you see this, this you can see it has it's been tilted in some way. Okay, I will just reduce it for you to understand, like for you to get an idea what I'm talking about. So if you see, this has been overlapped, so we can adjust it as ever we want, and we can reduce tilt it as much as we want. Okay, okay, I'll just make it as 5, and you can see it is little bit top. So that's on the container. So in upcoming video, we will speak about the constraints and the constructor, how it differs from type to type. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon to never miss an update.